Day one, finally. We have found our space. I don't know how long we will be here.
Absolutely no lights.
We don't have no lights. Yeah. Life is hard and soup for dinner. So we're mixing the cereal. Yeah. Things of that nature. So
This is very depressing. This is so depressing. Oh my God.
this was so unexpected. Yeah. So yeah. We're really tired. We really just want to go to sleep. The shower is crazy. I can't even describe the shower. They got like 6 shower line out. It's crazy. It's crazy. We just have to go. We're gonna sort out our sleeping arrangement. We'll get back to it. So like day one, we have survived 5 days. Whatever. So guys, next day, I haven't recorded much because honestly under the weather. Now I feel it. It's one of the hardest things I've ever done. Next to like living in the car, this is like one of the hardest things. I feel genuinely homeless right now. We got food. I got my little dish. I don't even have work at our school. And I don't know what this is. I'm very unsure. What will happen? You know what I'm saying? So like, eating it without spoon, man. It's rice. I don't think you can. Anybody can tell, but what this is? I have no idea what this is. But honestly, food can go. And tell me I do not know for today, so like tomorrow.
Brother. Yeah, do, brother. Go. Yeah, you know. All the people get busy.
Hey, that is crazy.
Unless up here, see this with the same shampoo, yeah, man.
Yo, that rough in the dog.
Yeah, this. Yeah, this same shampoo.
That rough in the dog.
Make it pressed enough.
When they ask you how rough it be, dog, me I tell them say, oh, this is how rough it is.
I'm gonna put on lotion it, brother. Brother, you have to wash this up, brother.
The man
get white.
The man want to put on lotion to go wash. What I'm saying, brother?
Me need them to get white.
Brother, put it on when you come back.
I don't want like a nigga. Or a nigga. But, less of a nigga. Is it? Brother, oh my God.
You man, you're weird in the dog. You man, you're weird. Damn, bro.
Yeah, I'm back here with the question.
You asking if I got a date for banquet?
If you're going with such question.
Hell no.
Why?
I don't really know. I don't really know right now still, you know what I'm saying? There's some things to be sorted out, so like that needs to be sorted out first.
What kind of thing?
Actually.
What kind of thing?
I don't know because I can't tell you because I don't know. Yeah, like
You told me that you're seeing it need
no,
to do
apparently I need to sort something out. But I don't know what it is. I need to find out what it is.
You're very confusing. That's true.
I know, right? Like, shit be confusing and thing like that. I just be trying to live life. You know what I'm saying?
You didn't say me, man. You didn't, man. You don't have to.
You know what I'm saying? There you go.
Huh?
If me not figure it out, my legacy done. It's gonna be embarrassing. Embarrassing.
But she just said something that's wrong. Something. You feel something I didn't tell you.
Apparently she's mad at me, so I don't know what that is. So
Why are you for what?
I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know.
Hey,
So,
why don't you ask him?
haven't seen her since. Like I heard from like other persons. I don't. Oh. Yes, I'm a G. Cool? Nah, that's crazy. What do you say? That's gonna be you, my boy. That's gonna be you. This is crazy. Banquet starts in like less than 10 minutes. I'm like really out here, not even ready yet.
Because we have our phone and we can't take flights like this.
There you go. You don't really seem like anybody else ready, so.
Exactly, nobody try nobody.
And I see niggas pile up in front of the female dorm. I went over there while they was all locked up in the room singing some ritual song. Yo, shit was crazy. Cab niggas are not real. I'm finna do this shit like you know how like they had like that nigga in Rapunzel that was like saying lay your hair down like.
Figure it out tomorrow.
Figure it out tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why?
I did today.
No, but I'm trying to save my legacy today.
I did
You know, it's crazy. Like it would kind of be like our niggas. Yo, I love niggas. Hey, come outside. Come on.
No, this is
Yeah.
them sing brother.
You want them group of each one day female that was sing now.
Me I go back.
Hey, man. Hey, nigga. Hold on, bro. Hey. The man that fool you should ever see. Boy, ain't no way. You're funny as hell. Trash. Yo, I love niggas. I love niggas. Yo, this is crazy. Hey, them niggas winning though. Them niggas winning though. Niggas really putting that shit on for real. Hey, so what? Nah, flip the. This really how we do it type shit like.
And then when I
Really trying to like get females, bro. This how we do it, cuz. This how we do it. Type shit. What's going on, bro? Nah. Oh, don't sweat. Come on. Man, you must sing to the females, them. Beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were waiting for me. We were just kids when we
Don't pioneer! Don't pioneer! Don't pioneer! Don't pioneer! Don't pioneer! Don't pioneer! Don't pioneer!
Hey, bro. I'm really talking shit, but like, me and them niggas just alike for real, bro. Me and niggas just alike for real, bro. That was crazy. Oh shit, wait. Niggas just asking me, I'm finna go to banquet. I'm like, maybe. They asked my ass, hey, you got a date for banquet? Hell nah. Hell nah. Like, I don't even really do that shit for real. Like, do I got a date for banquet? Hell nah. Big ass forehead ass nigga. Type shit. That's why I really be putting my cap on. What's good, bro? What's good, bro? See your tank up, bro. Little ass kid, bro. Tell that nigga pull his pants up, bro. Little ass kid sagging, bro. Little ass kid as well. I really just be focused on myself and, you know, things of that nature. I really just be focused on self-growth and, you know, things of that nature.
And no matter what, you put that to tune. And walk it up me.
Yeah.
$1 million bosom, yo.
Yo, just... Where's the marina squad? Put on the marina squad.
Wanna put down the clothes? Put down the clothes. Put down the thing clothes. You not gonna do it?
No.
Why?
Because this is Sinago.
Who?
This is Sinago.
Can you say Sinaga?
Yeah.
Nobody can say they can be right.
So we had to.
Say Pampali. Hey, Maka. Yeah, I press me go.
Yo, this one changed you right so far.
You know what I do? I go there. I got fun.
Real.
Alright then, I'm going.
I don't want to care if they don't come a camp king, they don't come a camp king, you know what? Well, me a prince.
Hey, say yo, if you not get this, you can't come back for the bus.
Huh?
Well, if you. They say I can't come for the bus. Well, if you.
Who said that?
Do it.
Doing my daddy? He's doing my daddy. In can't tell me the company bus, I can pay feet. He's doing my daddy.
James.
No, me not keep my car or nothing.
James.
If the man and me come up on the bus,
Hey, so vlog. I know the shit is dark as fuck. You can't see shit, but like, bear with me, bro. I had come to a banquet. I'm at camp, you know, little tradition. They got banquet and shit. I had come here to you know, I had asked the shorty out. Mind you, I don't even want to air out business on camera. Cause this shit gonna be there. I'm not airing out business. I had asked the girl to banquet, you know what I'm saying, type shit. Mind you, this really my fault for real, but I had told everybody, oh yeah, nigga, I'm finna have a date. Yeah, nigga, shit finna be poppin'. Yeah, I'm mad. Hell yeah, I'm finna have a date, nigga. My ass, I'm in this bitch, right? Mind you, I had sent her a text prior to this, so I sent her a text. She did not reply. I don't know if she's seen it, cause like on my shit, I got read recipients off, cause I really just don't use that shit. So I don't know if she's seen it or not, but bro, she got internet and she be on her phone all day. I know she's seen the text. So I left it at that. I let shit slide. And then I'm getting lost, bro. I'm getting a bit lost.
We are at that time.
It's really like
When all eyes is on their feet.
it's really on some shit where it's like,
We
bro,
are at
I came to this shit and I seen this girl with
when the
another
king will
nigga.
know who his queen is.
I don't
We are
lying to this shit. Like, why did she say she was going by herself if she wasn't gonna go by herself, you know? Like, that shit really just like, bro. I don't even want to talk about the camera, bro. Like, this shit was supposed to be a fun little experience. I was gonna vlog, I was gonna go crazy, bro. But like, this shit turned out hella bad, bro. Fuck this shit, bro. This shit turned out hella bad. I'm still finna post a video because I still need a video to post. But I'm finna record some shit after this. When I go home, because I'm going home tomorrow, I'm finna record some shit after this as well. So, I always say this shit, bro, but like, I always warn y'all niggas, man. She don't really fuck with you, bro. If she really wanted to, she would've. She not budging to certain shit. You really just got to. I never thought shit would hurt me this bad, bro. I never thought shit would hurt my ass this bad, nigga. I'm kinda mad as hell. But, what's that? Fuck me, bro. This is like one of the worst experiences I've ever had in my life. This shit is work, bro. This time I tried, bro. Yeah, I can't even cut. I can't even cut with you, bro. I tried. I put out. I gave everything, bro. I gave everything I had, and now we're here. Fuck this. Fuck my thing. Lame ass fucking shit, bro. Bro, my stomach don't even feel right, bro. I'm sorry for the long ass pauses, bro. I'm literally just in like disbelief. Like, I cannot believe I'm cannot. It's cool. It's cool. Until the next video, I don't know if I'm gonna record the outro differently, but shout out to y'all, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the videos. I'm finna get back on the regular schedule, bro. I ain't uploading a little bit. I was hoping to come here just for content. This shit happened, but yeah.